In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Add to Cart button in the Shopify Dawn theme. This feature is a fantastic way to enhance your customers' shopping experience by allowing them to quickly add products to their cart directly from your collection or product pages. Let's dive into the process step by step. Start by accessing your Shopify admin account. Logging into your Shopify admin dashboard is the first essential step. This interface is the command center for all the customization and management tasks you'll be undertaking for your online store. Once you've logged in, head over to the Online Store section and select Themes. This area gives you an overview of all the themes you have available. But today, we'll focus on customizing the active one, which in this case is the Dawn theme. Now, locate the Dawn theme within your themes list and click on Customize. This action will take you to the theme editor, a powerful tool that offers various options to tailor your store's appearance and functionality to your liking. After entering the customization mode, look at the top of the page. You'll see a drop-down menu. Here, select either the collection page or the product page where you wish to feature the Add to Cart button. This option will guide you to customize a specific section of your store. In the left sidebar, you'll notice various settings. Scroll down until you find the Product Grid section, or a similar setting depending on the page type you've selected. This section holds the key to unlocking the Quick Add button feature. Within the Product Grid settings, search for an option labeled Enable Quick Add button, or something akin to Add to Cart button. It should be fairly straightforward to identify. Once you find it, make sure to check the corresponding box to activate this feature. Don't forget the crucial final step. Click Save. This simple action ensures all your changes are safely stored and will reflect on your live site. To see your changes in action, go ahead and refresh your collection or product page. You should now see the newly added Add to Cart button prominently displayed, ready to enhance the shopping experience for your customers. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully added the Add to Cart button to your Shopify Dawn theme. This little enhancement can make a huge difference in how customers interact with your store, streamlining their shopping experience effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.